10 points of the histories. Nobody knew at that time, but today, standing beside this station, quiet, three and a pigeon above, at the roof, is telling what happened 1871 to 1873. The big dream investment set up the link between two big cities now, Chicago and New York. Look at something and missing. Small town is quiet. Missing opportunity because of money invested is gone. But history is histories. Set up the link between the past and the future. That is the historical site. A rose, the beautiful memory. Let us review and look at reality and choice.